saya order sayur online sejak. Jadi mari kita pergi ambil. The driver sudah tunggu di bawah di lobby. Let's go, kita tengok dulu macam mana sayur dia. Oke kah? Tidak. Oke, mendok aturan level 1. Let's go. Oh, di luar kah? Nah, sudah saya punya. Oh, kamu kah? Oh. Okay guys, I got my vegetable. I cannot wait to look what inside, and I buy sugar from downstairs. I'm gonna show you later in the house. Okay guys, so this is the vegetable I bought. I bought online in Facebook. Somebody from Borneo selling the vegetable, so I buy it online. So let's open it. Let me show you what I bought. Let me see, is that good product or not? Oh. First I buy this bunga kantan flower. Little bit old one, this one. This is Rm20.70 I think is worth it. Usually I bought in supermarket like this, only one, 2 ringgit. So I got 3. So next I got this he wrapped with the newspaper. This is, let's see what this is, cassava leaf. This is 2 ringgit 50. In Malay they said pucuk ubi. Daun singkong guys, 2 ringgit 50 sen. And then and this is it's already think soft. They wrap using newspaper. Pucuk labu, 3 ringgit 50 I think, if I'm not mistaken. This is pumpkin leaf. So it's very cheap, she's selling, and still fresh. He wrapped very good. And this is, let me see what inside. Okay. Oh, this is white chili guys. But the white chili is different though. Different than I expected. It's different our white chili. But still chili is 2 ringgit 50. I think this is in Sabah we not call them white chili. This is, I don't know, it's just a normal chili. See? This is different than I expected guys from the online shopping. I show you the white chili later. And next, this is papaya flower. I think this is I bought 2 ringgit 50 papaya flower. So 2 ringgit 50. For a long time I didn't eat. So next, this is petai. It's 100 gram. If you bought in supermarket in Pavilion or Giant, they will charge you 10 ringgit. In here she's selling 6 ringgit. Already been peeling. Oh, very good. And then the last one is she gave me for free this things. I don't know what is Rosali. Give me for free for try. So let's try it. Not try. Let's look. Oh, she gave me for free this one, guys. Can you see it? I didn't know the taste. But she said it's sour. So I'm gonna try. I didn't know how to eat them. Maybe just bite it or I don't know. I have a clue, guys. So I Google it later how to eat this fruit. She give me quite a lot. More than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, guys. She gave me 10 of this fruit. Don't know. Said a little bit soury. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna cooking soon. So thank you. Bye bye.